In this video, we'll show you how to install Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate. Welcome back. I'm Eric with Rockford Fosgate, and today we're going to show you how to install our new Stage 1 and Stage 2 fairing speakers on a 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. Please note, to experience the full performance of your new speakers, you'll need to install the required primary audio amplifier kit, part number 76001294, covered in a separate installation video. During the installation process, we'll refer you to the product iSheets and the Harley-Davidson service and repair manual. We include a paper copy of the product iSheet with your speaker kit. If you do not have a service manual, it can be purchased through your local Harley-Davidson dealership and available to be ordered online at harleydavidson.com. To help guide you through this installation, we'll see these icons appear in the lower part of the screen. The first icon will refer to the Harley-Davidson service and repair manual for your make and model. The second icon is for your product iSheet, illustrating the detailed installation process and the tools needed. Now, to get started, we want to remove the main fuse to prevent the motorcycle from accidentally starting. First, make sure to disable the security system on motorcycles that are equipped. We'll remove the clutch side saddlebag and service cover to access and remove the main fuse. Now that that's done, we're ready to remove the existing speakers and grills. Start by using a plastic pry tool to gently unsnap the pry clips. Once the grills are removed, you can use a T25 Torx to remove 4 screws holding the speaker in place. Note, you will need to retain this hardware as it will be used to secure your new speakers in place. Finally, you can disconnect the harness, noting the positive and negative terminals. Once you're done, repeat the process on the other side. Now let's look at the differences between our stages. The installation process is identical regardless if you're installing Stage 1 or Stage 2 speakers. Refer to the product iSheet for proper speaker and grill orientation. Now we're ready to install our new Stage 1 or Stage 2 speakers. Start by checking the speaker orientation by referencing the product iSheet. Next, make your wiring connection on the back of the speaker, noting the positive and negative terminals. Then, insert, align, and secure the speaker into place using the same hardware you removed earlier. Make sure to alternate your screws when tightening to ensure proper fitment. Once that's done, you can install the new speaker grill and repeat the process on the other side. Now we're ready to reinstall our main fuse, service cover, and saddlebag. To prevent any possible damage, make sure that your motorcycle is in the off position before proceeding. Now we're ready to configure the amplifier to recognize your speakers through the IFCU or infotainment control unit. With your motorcycle in accessory mode, press the gear icon, then select Sound Settings. Scroll down to Speaker Setup. Once the dialog appears, click Yes to continue. Press Speaker Configuration, Then select the appropriate stage where each speaker is located. Be sure to only select the speaker stage that you've installed. Once you're done, press Start Test. When you're ready to begin, press OK. The IFCU will walk you through selecting the appropriate speaker that's generating audible pink noise. To complete the setup, press Stop Noise and turn the power off for 60 seconds. Once rebooted, you can confirm your configuration by pressing Speaker Status. You can also confirm using the balance, fader, and volume controls. As you can see, that install was very straightforward. Now, if you have questions or prefer a professional do the installation, please don't hesitate to contact your local Harley-Davidson dealership. Until next time, I'm Eric, and we'll see you again soon.